good condition, and we'll see how that goes. Nice fucking day. We gotta swing by the bank, bring the money, and if we like it, we're gonna pick this thing up, and that's a new build for the channel. This is not the best place to drive a slammed car, I'll tell you that for free. It's fucking bumpy. Alright, so a little update. We're back in the M5, not in the Jenny anymore. Had to make a little trip back to Vaughan because the bank wouldn't let me take out the money. Apparently I had to order it, but shout out to Stacy at the Vaughan BMO for hooking it up and giving me the cash. So now we're back on route downtown and going to pick this thing up. See you there. Standard V8, got the carbon fiber interior for the most part, and then we got the nice leather with the Alcantara accents on the seats. Yesterday, after I picked up the car, the first day after, I took it to the exhaust shop, got it straight piped from the cat's back. It's pretty ridiculously loud, but you'll see that later on in the video when we start driving it.
This is what nicotine addiction looks like, kids.
Absolutely.
Don't do it.
Don't Juul, kids. It's terrible for you. Slow down,
Whisper to me softly.